Hello, you all. Welcome back to Tech Library. Today's episode, we are going to go on a treasure hunt inside your iPhone. Yes, secret settings that has the potential to enhance a great deal of your iPhone experience if tweaked. I bet many of you are unaware of such settings, regardless of whether you are a novice or an experienced user of iPhone. All right, let's begin. First on the list, battery health. Your iPhone's battery is a crucial component, and its status information is very important. To check on your battery health, you go to Settings, Battery. Here you will find information on your battery on maximum capacity, as well as peak performance capability, which can be imperative for managing your device's power intake efficiently. Now, let me speak about the screen time feature, truly helpful for people who realize they spend, say, too much time in their phone. You can set the overall time you want to spend in your phone per day, week. You can block or limit the specific applications. Ask about the daily or weekly report on your screen time. It's a perfect tool for a healthy digital life. Surprisingly, if you go to the accessibility settings, there are so many gizmos that are extremely helpful, even if one doesn't have disability. There is text size, color, contrast that can be adjusted, making the documents easier to read. There is something that reduces motion, because motion annoys some people. Go through it. You might find something cool. Your privacy should be respected. Therefore, navigate to privacy and adjust permissions for the apps on your device regarding contacts, location, photos, etc. Always check on such settings for the safety of your data. Out of storage? Well, head to General iPhone Storage and you can delete those files that are just taking up space, or the apps that are no longer needed, or optimize the photo storage to gain those much-needed gigabytes. Well, that's it for today, folks. 5 iPhone settings you need to know to have an enriched, secure, and the best iPhone experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on how to get the most out of your gadgets. Thanks for watching.